I'm just gonna dump this pie filling in this, and we might actually have to use a couple cans. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to use a couple cans here. Got a lot of kids, so need a big pie, need a big cake. Pop the other one off. All right, I'm just gonna spread that out. And I might need 3. No, that's all right, make this do. All right, so I'm gonna use yellow cake mix. You can use whatever you like. I think yellow is the best, just my personal bias, but any cake mix will work. I'm gonna spread this out kind of even here. Doesn't have to be perfect, that's the magic of it. Okay, that's good enough. And now I'm just gonna kind of evenly sprinkle this cake mix over the top. Of course, you can make your own cake mix, but this is a little faster. And one more ingredient, we just got to find some butter. So it's definitely always a good thing to make sure you have all the ingredients before you start cooking. I did not do that, so we don't have any sticks of butter left. But luckily I did find we have this Irish butter, spreadable. And so I'm just gonna get several dollops and place it all around. All right, that should be enough. Now we're just gonna pop this in the oven. Again, 350, so I'm gonna let that cook until it's nice and crispy on top. Usually takes about an hour. All right guys, so here is the cake all done. As you can see, some of these like parts of the cake mix didn't get wet. I think it's gonna be okay, but that was really just, I needed to add a little bit more butter, but you know, we're not perfect, so I think it'll still taste pretty good. And once you get it, you know, scooped out, get it kind of mixed up a little bit, it'll probably be all right. But as you can see, looks pretty tasty, so that'll be a good little dessert for tonight.